That's another thing why I like about this product. When you take your braids down or you take anything down in your head, you can use this for a detangler. Like, I know I unraveled my braids and it still had the wave pattern, but I wanted to make sure that I didn't have to do too much work to it when I wanted to re-braid it. So I just detangled a little bit, and I used a small amount of this stuff because if you use a lot, I discovered that it did weigh my hair down a little bit after maybe like the third or fourth day. But it does depend on your hair texture and if your hair is thick or if your hair is fine. But I love that you can use this as a detangler, so when you unravel your braids or whatever, your hair won't be dry. It'll still have some moisture in it, and it does give it a nice shine, and it smells really good too. But you really just need a small amount of it, and you can see that it's sulfate free and it's color safe. And some protective styles, and on the back here, these are the ingredients, and then her story, and where it's like how to apply it. Like I said before, I washed my hair and deep conditioned it, and then I added this product to my hair, and like it says, damp hair to prep for braid up, and gently work through sectioned hair with fingers or a wide tooth comb to remove knots. And they also have a gel for, like, you know, hairdos and stuff like that, to keep like a neat look. But I have some much stuff, so I'm good. But this is what it's for and what it does. I took oil and Jojoba butter, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And then the carrot seed oil. Yeah, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to unscrew the bottle right quick and let you see what it looks like. And that's the front, of course, and you can see that I used a good amount of this. Just look kind of full right now because I shook the bottle up, but I'm going to show you what it looks like unscrewed. So that is what it looks like. I unscrewed the bottle, and the texture is kind of like a gel, almost, not quite like a cream, a light cream, but it looks like that. And you don't need a lot at all. You can see how the product spreads out. If you add too much of this product, your hair will look white. So that's why I recommend just to like apply a small amount of it on there. But that's what it looks like. It's not really sticky, and I don't know, it's kind of like a watered down lotion, kind of, sort of like. But it smells really good though. But that's what it looks like. And you just apply it onto your hair. And I mean, I haven't found any product that specifies for braids, or maybe I'm not looking hard enough, but I like this, honestly. It's just that I can't use a lot of product on my hair. Sometimes what helps me is that it won't be so, I don't know, like weighed down or look like an old style or something. Anyway, if that makes sense. To give it a little bit of life, I might like add some water to my hair, like with the spray bottle. And since it's like in its like wave pattern, since the braids give it that my hair wave pattern look, and stretch out my curls, I add some water, just a little bit. Spray some water with the water bottle, not too much. I don't drench it, just kind of damp it slightly, and then I'll add like a quarter size of this to my hair and comb it and just kind of like scrunch it up to keep that wave pattern, and off I go. But I believe they have a shampoo and conditioner along with this, but this stuff is really good. I actually like Shea Moisture products anyway. They help my hair. My hair loves it. I haven't used all of them, but the ones that I try to look for to do certain things to my hair, like to give it moisture, or from wearing braids, or the ingredients, you know, what I'm looking for, whatever. The Shea Moisture tends to like have what I'm looking for as far as in my hair. So they're doing their thing, honestly. And try this out. Like I said before, you don't need a lot of product. You really don't. So be really mindful on how you use this stuff, because it may weigh your hair down, maybe. But it lasts for a while though. But you can see I use a lot of it. The only reason why it kind of looks cool now is because I shook it up. But yeah, try this out. The Shea Moisture Braid Up and Take Down Detangler.